What's going on, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I want to do a quick video update since I won't be doing a stream today. Wanted to show you guys what my thoughts could be for this weekend, and could Bitcoin maybe go a little bit lower before we start to rise again, right? And I think that could be a possibility. So make sure you guys, if you guys are new to the stream or new to the videos at least, make sure you guys hit up that like button, press that subscribe button if you guys are new, and let's jump on in. Make sure you guys have your coffee or tea ready to go for today's video. All right, so what are we looking at here? So I know everyone right now is following the blockchain backer fractal. And here's the thing. Everyone's following one thing. Will it continue to play out? Well, it's played out up to this point. And I have to give the guy a little bit of respect because, listen, this thing's been playing out since September. I didn't even have the whole thing here, and it's continued to play out. Now, if you guys have been watching the stream, we've been talking about this consistently. And right now, we are right at this range here on the fractal, right here. And you can see that it is calling for a little bit of a pullback. And it makes a lot of sense, not just because of the fractal, but you also look at where it could pull back to. It might as well pull back to the 618 retrace. We know that Bitcoin loves to pull back to that 618 retrace. And this could be coming back down to that 618. Where is that 618 located? Right at the $38,000 level. So we're going to look at why that $38,000 level also could be a huge level, not just based off our fractal, right? But also based off of the 618 retrace, right? Let's also go look at this daily chart and see where that daily chart could say, right? So this daily chart, if we were to go back to, that 37.5, 38K level, and we were to come back down here, right, on the daily, that would also coincide with a nice back test of our previous resistance, right? Our previous all-time high resistance, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches all the way down the slide. Come back down, test that 37 to 38K range, and then hopefully get a bounce back to the upside based off our 2018 bear market fractal, right? So that's something that we're watching here. And it would make so much sense based off the Fibonacci retraces, based off the back test of the all-time high resistance line, just for so many reasons. And just from a technical level, would just makes so much sense on the daily. Now, what could this mean for altcoins, right? What could this mean for altcoins going forward? Well, here's the thing, guys. Like we said, everyone is starting to watch this fractal now, right? Everyone's getting enlightened to the blockchain backer fractal. Will it continue to play out? At some point, it's not going to play out, right? We know with every fractal, even my old fractals that we used to have, they play out to a certain point and then they start to deviate at a certain point. So we don't know where it's going to deviate. But I do think it makes sense right now for Bitcoin to have a little bit of a pullback. We looked at our 4-hour bearish divergence back when we had this top, and we sort of said, all right, we're at a big resistance, right? That $45,000 resistance. We have bearish divergence. It makes sense for Bitcoin to come a little bit lower, and that's exactly what we're getting, right? So what could be coming for altcoins in the scenario that Bitcoin comes a little bit lower? Well, you can see that the Bitcoin dominance is starting to really rise. And the issue that we have here with altcoins is if the Bitcoin dominance is rising significantly and Bitcoin is dropping in price, usually means that altcoins are getting wrecked, right? We saw it the other day. Bitcoin dropped, 3%. Altcoins were dropping 9%, 10%, 11%, 12%. They were going they were getting wrecked, right? They were getting wrecked. So could we see that the next couple days? I would look at it more as an opportunity to get some cheap altcoins before we might have that final rally back up to the 56K region. But we'll talk about that in the future. It could be a good scenario over maybe the course of this weekend, maybe going into next week, right? We know we got some more Fed news and stuff coming out next week. Could be a really good opportunity for us to scoop up some altcoins at even cheaper prices that we're looking at now, right? We know altcoins got hit hard the other day. We could be seeing even better prices, all right? But other than that, just want to do a quick update video, guys. I wouldn't be surprised, like I said, I wouldn't be surprised Bitcoin comes back down to 38K, somewhere in that 38K to 40K region, probably closer to 38K if I had to guess. But if you guys like the video, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you are new. We live stream every single day. I wanted to start doing more videos and stuff too. Have some ideas coming up with that in the future. But other than that, apologize for my stuffy voice again. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the stream. Adios.